Hey guys, how's it going? It's Orit here. Welcome to the essetinoartists channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the background of your Zoom video call so that you have something way cooler back there to look at. So I'm going to just jump into our own virtual meeting room. So I'm assuming you have a Zoom account. If not, you can head to the description and click on the link to start to create a Zoom account. But if you already have one, then let's say you got a link to join a call or you're just jumping into your own virtual meeting room on Zoom. You're going to go to that Zoom link. So I'm just going to hit enter on our Zoom link here. It's going to pop up, open Zoom meetings. All right, so heading back to where we were, we have the Zoom meetings open up here, and we're going to go to this arrow. Like I said, I can turn on the video here now that we're not using it for the recording. And I'm going to go to this arrow, select choose virtual background. And this is where you'll be able to add your background. So you can add any image you like on your background. This does work best when you have a green screen. So if you have a green screen behind you, you can easily do this. It's going to look great. Also, evenly distributed lighting also really helps to make that image look crisper. And of course, having a good HD webcam, all of these things tie into how good it looks. If you don't have a green screen, it will sometimes work as well if you have just a solid background behind you. So let's say, for example, if you have a solid red wall behind you or a solid white is a little difficult to work with because there's kind of white in everything. So you might have a little bit of difficulty there. But you can see here, I don't have a green screen, but I'm just going to show you what it looks like. Let's say you do have a green screen. You're going to click here to add an image. And let's just say I wanted to add this as my background image. Now you can see here, of course, it's not very good because it's not a solid background here. This is what it's going to look like when you don't have a solid color background. Because as you can see, this cabinet here and this strip here is not the same color as the actual wall. But once you do have a solid color, you can easily put that in there. I'm just going to remove that. Let's see what it looks like with a different, I think I have like a background green here. So you see right now that it's switching out the color of my hair for that background. But let's say, because what it's doing is it's manually depicting all of the dark black colors right now. This is really funny to look at, I know. So you can click on where it says here, manually pick the color of the background if the detected color is not accurate. So let's say I want to actually switch it out for the white in the background. Then it gives me this little, I clicked on that color and it gives me this little crosshair tool. If I click back here, then it's going to switch out the white, everything that kind of has that white color in it. You can see even my fingernails are green. It's going to switch it out for the background. So this is why, guys, it's better when you have a solid color background so that it doesn't mix all this kind of stuff like you see here. Oh, cool, I have green teeth. You can do some pretty funny things with this. And then once you're done, let's just say, this is what I want to go for into my meeting with everybody. Once you're all done, you can just X out of that. And there you go. You'll have your background there. So let's just, hang on, let's just remove this. It's distracting me. It's making me laugh. So let's go back to normal. There are, like I said, a few things that, you might be trying this on your own and not having much luck. There are specifications in terms of what laptop you're using, the processing system, all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to put a link in the description that you can check out. Oh, guys, you can, by the way, also do this with a video. So if you want to have a video background instead of an image, you would also just import a video into the same area that I just showed you. But going back to the article, so if you, let's say you're doing this on your Mac or your PC, you can also do this from your iPhone as well, I believe. I'm not sure about Android, but you are able to do it with iOS. So check out that article, because if you've tried this and it's not quite looking right, then you can look at those specifications and see because it'll say you need this kind of laptop, this kind of webcam, all that kind of stuff to make it look good. So again, I'm going to put those links in the description below. And also, let's say you try to input an image and it's not quite centered or looking right, then that article will also tell you what size your image needs to be in order to fit nicely and perfectly as your background. So definitely check that out in case you need to troubleshoot anything. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you leave me a comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.